I'm going to show you how to pay someone using PayPal. So first you will need to open up PayPal or open a browser and go to PayPal and sign into your account. Next, you want to click on the send button on the top here. And then you want to enter their name, username, email, or mobile phone number if you have it. You can also see all the contacts you've already dealt with or sent payments to. And once you've selected whoever you're trying to pay, you will need to enter the amount that you're going to pay and select the currency from the right side and also the currency they can receive and add any notes if you want and then press next and then review the details here and whether you want to use PayPal balance to send this payment or card or whatever option you have. You can also select if it's for goods and services payments or it's family and friends. Some accounts only have this option, so you can basically send it like that. And once everything looks good, you can click on the send button to send the payment and pay them. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and see you on the next one.